At dawn, the journey of Feijoa begins, where nature sets the pace.
Every harvest starts with trained eyes and practiced hands. Only fruit at perfect maturity is chosen.
Harvesting remains careful, deliberate, and human.
Each movement follows a rhythm, refined by seasons.
Every transfer protects texture, aroma, and value.
The orchard releases its harvest forward. Precision begins before the wheels ever turn.
Stability protects freshness across distance.
Every journey is verified before departure.
Energy awakens the supply chain.
Harvest gives way to motion.
Freshness rides carefully forward.
Scale begins with connection.
The harvest enters its next life.
Beyond the gate, precision replaces soil.
Scale transforms harvest into supply.
The harvest meets the factory air.
Systems stand ready.
Manual effort hands over to process.
Order defines efficiency.
Motion resumes under control.
The transformation officially begins.
Cleaning is the first act of precision.
Every surface is refreshed. Gentleness preserves quality. Moisture is carefully controlled.
Human vision still leads accuracy.
Only the best continue forward.
Uniformity improves flow.
Preparation nears completion.
Now, transformation awaits. Here, preparation becomes process. Order feeds efficiency.
Each cut is measured, not rushed.
The fruit opens its structure. Freshness stays enclosed. Transformation is guided,
never forced.
Balance restores freshness.
Consistency defines quality.
Purity is engineered.
The product waits, perfected.
Automation sharpens consistency.
Every second is calculated.
Data becomes direction.
Flow adapts instantly.
Hygiene never pauses. Exactness defines the final stage.
Final form is shaped with care.
Control remains constant.
Quality clears the path forward.
Only verified product moves on.
The final chapter begins with precision.
Accuracy meets scale. Freshness is locked in. Identity completes the product.
Individual units become supply.
Efficiency reaches its peak.
Readiness waits in order.
The market draws near.
And this is how modern factories produce feijoa from start to finish.